Yo, what's up, moneymakers? Let's talk about cash, specifically, how to get your hands on it from anywhere in the world. You know those big, fancy international transfers? The ones that make you wonder if your money is ever going to show up? Yeah, those. Today, we're diving deep into whether Monzo, that sleek little banking app, can handle those SWIFT payments. Now, I know what you're thinking. SWIFT payments? That sounds complicated. And you're right, it can be. But don't worry, I'm here to break it down. SWIFT stands for Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. Basically, it's a network banks use to send and receive money internationally. It's like the postal service for cash, but way faster and with less adorable animals. So, back to the question, does Monzo accept SWIFT payments? Well, the short answer is, it's complicated. Let's unpack that. Traditionally, Monzo hasn't been known for being the best at handling incoming international payments. It's been more of a spending and sending money app. But, hold up, there's been a change. In early 2023, Monzo made a pretty big announcement. They started supporting inbound euro payments using the SEPA system, which is like the European version of SWIFT, but for euros only. This was a game changer for many people, especially those who deal with European clients or partners. But what about other currencies? Well, the good news is Monzo now allows you to receive international SWIFT payments in over 40 currencies. This means you can get paid from almost anywhere in the world and have that money converted to pounds right in your Monzo account. How cool is that? So, if you're expecting a big payment from overseas and you're a Monzo user, you're in luck. Just make sure to share your IBAN with the sender. IBAN stands for International Bank Account Number, and it's essentially your account's address for international payments. But, there's always a but, right? While Monzo makes it easy to receive these payments, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, there's a 1% conversion fee, with a cap of £1,000 per transaction. So, it's not entirely free, but it's still pretty competitive compared to other banks. Second, not all currencies are supported. So, if you're expecting payment in a rare or exotic currency, you might have to look at other options. Now, let's talk about speed. How long does it take for a SWIFT payment to hit your Monzo account? Well, it depends. SWIFT transfers can take anywhere from a few hours to a few days. It really depends on the banks involved and how efficient they are. So, while Monzo has definitely stepped up its game when it comes to international payments, it's still not perfect. There are limitations and potential delays. If you need to receive money quickly and reliably, you might want to consider other options or talk to your sender about alternative payment methods. But, for most people, Monzo is now a viable option for receiving international payments. It's convenient, the fees are reasonable, and it's generally pretty hassle-free. To sum it up, Monzo now accepts SWIFT payments in over 40 currencies, making it a much more attractive option for people who do business internationally. However, there are still some limitations and potential delays to be aware of. So, there you have it. Monzo and SWIFT payments, a match made in international money heaven? Well, almost. It's definitely a step in the right direction, but there's still room for improvement. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your money game strong.